Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Storytime. My name is Charles Hsuan and I'm a storytelling sales coach. As you can see from the background today, I'm filming in a lovely sports arena, and every now and then you will hear birds flying past or making chirping sounds, but you know what, it's okay. It's a part of being in nature and I'm loving it. Now I want you to picture this today. Imagine when you wake up tomorrow morning and you have lost everything that you have ever owned. I'm talking about your business connections, I'm talking about your wealth, and I'm talking about your whole business, everything gone, and you have to start from ground zero. But the good thing is you still have your personality, you still have your attitude, and you still have your talent. The question is, how long do you think it will take you to get back to where you are right now? And if the same thing happened to, let's say, somebody like Trevor Noah, Oprah Winfrey, Warren Buffett, or Elon Musk, how long do you think it will take for them to get back to where they are? I think you will begin to realize that what separates you and them is actually your mindset, your ability to never give up, your ability to sell, and your ability to stick it out, the grit. Now, one thing that you can do is start reading good content, because that's one thing they all have in common. They are avid readers. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe, click comment, click like. Until next time, ciao.